where the ocean meets the sky. Time walks slowly, suspended above a sea of dreams.
From jungle to volcano, Bora Bora is a crown of earth and sea.
Life here grows not in silence, but in color. Even the rain here feels warm.
Some sunsets are worth chasing on foot.
When solitude meets paradise, you find stories written in the sand.
The jungle near the sea whispers louder than the waves.
When the stars wake, the island breathes a little slower.
Bora Bora isn't just water and beauty. It's people and rhythm.